Hello, everyone. Teacher Andy with my very first ever online maths lesson. Oh my gosh. And to open with, we are doing factoring. Factoring. What is factoring, teacher? Factoring is a maths operation. What is a maths operation? It is something you do to a number. It's something you do to a number. A maths operation can be multiplication, division, subtraction, or addition. With other maths operations, you have two or more numbers to work with. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 2 times 3 plus 2 equals 8. However, with factoring, you only have one number. With factoring, you have the answer. For example, 10. So what do? You have to find the question. Easy. If you're given the answer, you must find the question. If you're given the question, you must find the answer. Easy. Yes? So in this case, what is the question? It is question mark times question mark equals 10, or 10 equals question mark times question mark. And the question mark is a number. So what can they possibly be? Difficult one. Example 1. By normal standard multiplication, 2 times 3 equals 6. Yeah, 6. Factoring, 6 equals, oh my gosh. How about 2 times 3? Oh, easy. Easy. Example number 2. Multiplying. 3 times 3 equals. How about 9? Very good. Factoring. 9 equals. What can it be? It must be 3 times 3. It is the exact opposite of multiplying. You can call it unmultiplying if you like, but it is the exact opposite. Example 3. Multiplying. 2 times 4 equals, yes, 8, of course. Factoring. Go on, have a guess. Have a guess. 8 equals 2 times 4. So easy. It is the exact opposite of multiplying. It is important to know that factoring involves multiplication only. It is not the opposite of addition, it is not the opposite of subtraction, and it is not the opposite of division. It is the opposite of multiplication only. Clear? What is it the opposite of? Multiplication. Go. Go. Addition, subtraction, and division. It is multiplication only. So example, factor 4. What are the factors of 4? So we know that 4 is the answer. What's the question? What times what equals 4? Yes, 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 and 2 are the factors, but you can't have the same number twice as being a factor. So 2 is the factor. You can't say, oh, 2 is a factor and 2 is a factor. That means that 2 is a factor. Okay, so just 1, 2 is a factor. Kojai Mai, understand? Yes? 2 is the factor of 4. Good. Okay, example number 2. Factor number 6. Factor 6. So 6 equals what times what? What times what equals 6? Did I hear you say 2 times 3? Excellent, excellent. So what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. 2 and 3 are the factors. They will both divide into 6 evenly. Now remember the word evenly. Okay, remember. Okay, factor 8. Factor 8. 8 equals what times what? What do you think? Yes, 2 times 4. So what numbers are the factors of 8? 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. 2 and 4. Okay, one more example. Factor 9. Factor 9. So the question is, 9 equals what times what? What times what equals 9? Or 9 equals what times what? Yes, of course, it's 3 times 3. So what are the factors of 9? What are the factors of 9? How about 3? Okay, 3. You, I know the factors are 3 times 3, but like I said, you can only have one particular number being a factor. So if there's two threes, then 3 is the factor. 3. Okay, is that clear? Kaujai Mai? Okay, if you've got 2 times 2, 2 is a factor. If you've got 3 times 3, 3 is a factor. If you've got 5 times 5, 5 is a factor. And 5 times 5 would be the number would be 25. Got it? Understand? Good. I hope so. I hope so. Okay, so factors are part of a multiplication problem. We need to work out what those parts are. More examples. Factor 24. Factor 24. Oh my gosh, teacher, 24? So difficult. Well, not really. Not really. Not when you have your multiplication tables, not when you have your tables. So how do we factor 24? We start off with number 2. We divide number 2 into 24, and we go along the table and we look along and we see that 2 times 12 equals 24. So let's put a circle there. And so 2 times 12 are factors of 24. But I know there are more than one pair of factors. Let's go along to number 3. 3 times, oh look, 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 2 times 12 and 3 times 8 as factors of 24. But I know there's more. I know there's more. It's It comes with being smart, yes? Okay, so we go along to number 4. And we go along, 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 along. Oh, look, 24. So 4 times 6 is are factors of 24. So now we have 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6 being factors of 24. Now you could go along and say, well, 6 times 4, 24, or 8 times 3, 24, and 12 times 2 are 24. But it's exactly the same already. We now have our factors. What is important to know is that there can be more than one way to factor a number. There can be many ways to factor a number. As you can see, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So how do we find the factors of a number? We do it by testing for divisibility. What, teacher? That means we divide every number less than half of a number being factored. What, teacher? In the case of 24, we must test the numbers 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of them. Although you don't really need to test 1 because 1 will divide into any number. Yes, agree? Any number can be divided by 1. 24 can be divided by 1, and the answer is 24. Okay, so how do we do it? We can use our multiplication tables, which are okay for smaller numbers, or smaller numbers like 144, or we can use a calculator. Or if you're really smart, you can use your brain. Can you do that? So we divide 24 by 2, which gives us 12. 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. 24 divided by 4 gives us 6. Every number must divide evenly into the number. Okay, the factors are the numbers that divide evenly into the number with no remainders. For example, 24 divided by 7 equals 3.42857, blah, 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 forever, forever. So 7 is not a factor of 24 because it does not divide evenly into the number. So you repeat this with all the numbers from 2 to 12. And, oh, sorry, I've got another reminder here. No remainders. Make it absolutely clear. No, 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 no remainders. So the test of 1 to 12, and we get 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So the factors of 24 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12. 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11 do not divide evenly into 24 because they have remainders. And what did I say? No remainders. Got it? Yes? Very, very good. Okay, now I would like you to have a go. First of all, I would like you to find the factors for 10. please pause the video now and click play when you have finished your answers or you have done the maths. Okay, so the answer for 10, if we look along, we've got 2 times 5 equals 10. So the factors are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Did you get that right? Yes? Where did that magic red mark come from? Anyway, another, number 2. Please find the factors for number 12. For number 12. Would you like to please pause the video whilst you do the maths? Once you have finished, click play. And the answers are, if we look along, 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. So the factors for 12 are 2, 3, 4, and 6. 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, number 14. Please find the factors for 14. Okay, so you need to use your multiplication tables and look for all the number 14s on the multiplication tables. Okay, so whilst you do this, please pause the video and then click play when you have finished. And the answers, let's take a look. We've got 2 times 7 equals 14. And that is it. Just 2 times 7. So what are the factors for 14? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay, we'll do another, number 4. What are the factors of 16? What are the factors of 16? You should know what you're doing now. So please pause the video and then click play when you have finished. Okay, so let's go along and have a look. We start with number 2. We go all the way along, and there is number 16 there. So 2 times 8 are factors of 16, 2 and 8. Are there any more? 3? No. 4? Yes, look, we got 4 times 4 equal 16. So the factors of 16 are 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, and 8. You got it? Yes? We'll do 3 more. Okay, number 4. Number 4. I'm sorry, I was disturbed by there. So the factors for number 18. Please pause the video whilst you work them out. And then when you are ready, you can click play again. Okay, don't cheat. It's for your benefit. Okay, it's for your benefit. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to go along. We'll start with 2. We know it's an even number, so 2 is always going to go into it. And sure enough, 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 9. 3, will 3 go into 18? Yes, of course. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now, I know there are no more factors you can say, yeah, well, look, there's 18 here, but it's the same. It's 6. 6 times 3 is the same as 3 times 6. But we always start with the lower numbers. So the factors of 18 are what? 2, 3, 6, and 9. 2, 3, 6, and 9. Always start at the lowest. 2, 3, 6, and 9. Why, teacher? Why always the lowest? I will explain that in a later lesson. Okay, so find the factors for 20. Find the factors for 20. Please pause the video now and click play when you have finished the maths. Okay, let's do this. So we know 2 is going to go into 20 because it's an even number. So 2 into 20, 10 times. 2 times 10 equal 20. What other numbers go into 23? No, no, no. No 20 there. 4? Yes. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now, I know we've got 5 times 4, but it's the same. So the factors of 20 are 2, 4, 5, and 10. 2, 4, 5, and 10. Easy. Find the factors for 13. Please pause the video now. And when you have finished the maths, I will come back to you. Or sorry, please click play when you have finished the maths. Did you find any factors? Did you? No, because 13 cannot be factored. There are no numbers that can be divided evenly into 13 other than 1 and 13 itself. So 13 cannot be factored. But teacher, what does this mean? What can we do? Well, students, I'm afraid that is another lesson when we will deal with composite and prime numbers. So until next time, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understand factoring now. Any problems or anything you don't understand, please leave a comment in the comments under the video, and maybe I can try and help. In the meantime, please click like and subscribe. Thank you very much, students. Bye-bye.